and quite possibly the best item of this entire video. And my name ain't Jeff Robe for no reason, baby. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Hope everybody's having a great day, because my day is about to get a whole lot better because I'm about to do one of my favorite videos, which is opening a box that has a whole bunch of clothes in it, because I like stuff and I like clothes and I like to look good, but most importantly, I love saving money when I do it. So make sure you're following me over in my Discord, where I pretty much give you the open ability to talk with me freely. You can DM me, you can ask for stuff directly. All I ask is you check out the rules, make sure you're following them, make sure you know what you're doing before you start just asking questions, because it can get a little bit redundant. I'm happy to help, but like I said, I try to make it as easy for you as possible. So all you got to do, use that search engine, try to find what you're looking for. If you don't find it, then shoot me a message. I'd be more than happy to get you a link to saving some money. But chances are, if you're after something someone else has probably already asked for and I've already supplied a link, DHgate does like to do this thing where they'll kind of like cancel out links and re-upload them, because that'll help them go up to like the new listing like part of the site. So I get that. So if that does happen on previous products, then just reach out to me and I'll get you guys a new link. But let's get this big box up here, right here. Very cool. This one is not going to be from DHgate. This is going to be from JK Fung. If you're in the Discord, you probably have heard that name. You've heard me refer to people to him, but he has a great big Cadillac. He might have a Cadillac, I don't know. He has a great big catalog of stuff. And by stuff, I mean literally everything. Bedding, jewelry, hats, accessories, sunglasses, clothing. But most importantly is that he has really, really, really good service. I always get stuff from him very, very quickly. And as you look, it's in this big box that has all this tape on it. I'm having to really go over it. So you know that your stuff is going to be nice and protected. You're not going to have no centipedes from the dock crawling out the box when you open it. Wouldn't want that to happen. Voila, there we go. Boom. So as you see, packed in there nicely. Got a black bag on top. Let's start pulling stuff out and seeing what's in here. Off the rip, got us an essentials bag. And not only was it in the box, you see it did come in another bag, so it's double protected. Oh boy. Open bottomed, not the cinched bottom. I already have a few pairs of those, so I went open bottom this time. And these are just gonna be some black essential sweatpants. Doesn't get much better than that. These are gonna be an XL. I have to do that way that they're long, but as you see, the waist really isn't that big. Whole lot of elastic in there, very nice. These are super duper soft to the touch. It does have a stitched in essentials right here. You can kind of see it. Very nice. And then of course you get the rubber essentials branding right across the crotch, like pretty much all of the essentials pieces come with. But hell yeah, I'm not complaining, because I did have another pair of the 1977 black essentials sweatpants, and I think I had them for all of maybe a month, and I left them on my nightstand and my dog chewed them up. So I'm happy to get another pair of black sweatpants, because my other black essentials sweatpants that they actually have the elastic in the leg, they are getting old, and I've worn the absolute crap out of them. I think I got those when I was at the old house, actually. So I've had those for, 3 or 4 years, but the quality, bar none, doesn't get any better. Pretty much the same exact thing, but this time we're gonna have the gray pair. Man, these are just super soft. I can't get over how soft these are. But gray sweatpants season is approaching us, fellas, so make sure you cop these before the fall weather hits. Gotta have the ladies going crazy for you. They love the gray sweatpants. Let's keep them rolling. Won't spend too much time on those. If you are gonna dry those sweatpants and you're a taller guy like me, then I would maybe dry them to about a 3/4% and then let them air dry the rest, because if not, they're probably gonna shrink. Let me see. There we go. No, everything is just branding. Nothing says what it is anymore. I assume these are 100% cotton. They feel just like any Nike sweatpant that you would get at Academy or whatever, but the stitching is much nicer and it just feels really, really soft. Just, man, can't get over how soft. That makes you not want to wash it. Something else I really, really like is crew neck sweatshirts. So here is a Dior one. And let's see what kind of fabric makeup this bad boy has. It is also super, super soft. This one's gonna be 100% cotton. So also want to be careful washing this one. But as you can see, just a nice gray sweatshirt. Looks like it says Today of the Valley or Lady of the Valley, and then Christian Dior up there at the top. Very cool. Got that little flower on there too. Nice. Love me some crew necks. It's because I like to wear a lot of just kind of jeans and denim jackets and stuff, so layering the crew neck underneath there just kind of looks nice. Or if you don't want to wear the jacket, then you can do that. Kind of have that little bit of extra layer. All right. Looks like we're down to our last two things. And speaking of denim jackets, what do we have here? Oh yeah. So, like I mentioned, I really love denim jackets. So this is a Celine one, and it comes with this zippable, actually it's stitched in. So it comes with this gray hood already built into it. And then right here on the kind of top of the hood, it does say Celine. So whenever you're not wearing the hood, the part that rests will be able to be seen, and everyone will know that you're rocking that drip. Let's check out the buttons. Gonna have just the copper colored buttons, and it does say Celine jeans on those. Same for the pocket. It does have both pockets, and it does have inside pockets. That's the one thing I really love about denim jackets, is you get that inside pocket. So very cool. First pair of Celine denim. I do have some Celine sweats and a t-shirt, but this is my first Celine denim, and so far I'm a fan. Looks really, really good. I will post a short so we can kind of just see how everything's fitting, what everything's looking like, and all that good jazz. But it's time for the final item, and quite possibly the best item of this entire video. And my name ain't Jeff Robe for no reason, baby. I have wanted this one for a long time, and I finally got it because they didn't have it originally. But I copped myself another Versace robe, and it is the multicolored one. We're gonna have a pink sleeve on one side, green and yellow on the other, and then just kind of a blue right down the middle. But this one is absolutely fire. I can't believe I finally got it. Looks like the belt that comes with this one is gonna be blue as well. Get your nice wrap tie so you can keep it nice and cinched down like this one is right now. So yeah, super duper pumped. Like I said, I'll do a little bit of a close-up shot that we got if you didn't get a good look at some of this stuff. Then I will be happy to show it to you. Make sure you're reaching out to me on Discord if you want anything here, if you're after anything specific, or if you don't know, you just kind of need some broad general direction pointing, I can do that for you too. So yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll be back soon when I got some more stuff for you.